Welcome the our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Oscar for family coverage adjustments, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Oscar account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the family coverage section on the home page. Click on the option that says Adjust Coverage. You will see a list of family members currently on your plan. Select the family member for whom you want to make adjustments. After selecting, review their current coverage details. Next, choose the type of coverage adjustment needed. Options may include adding a dependent or changing a plan. Follow the prompts to input necessary information regarding the adjustment. Make sure to double-check all entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, proceed to the review screen. Here, you will see a summary of the adjustments made. If everything looks correct, click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation notice of your changes. Review your email for a confirmation message from Oscar for your records. If you have any questions, refer to the help section or contact support. That's how you can make coverage adjustments for your family with Oscar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.